internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video, and I feel like I haven't unboxed one for a long time, so I'm extra excited for this. It's called Fancy Feet, and it's this beautiful rose gold color. So I think that's, oh, we get the card as well. Yep, cool. So that's everything in the box, and this is the September box. I was gonna say, I feel like I've missed... Okay, that confuses me because I'm just looking at I have this list of all the videos that I upload, and I just realized I don't think I've unboxed the August box. So that must be somewhere lost in the mail, which, you know, doesn't surprise me. The mail has been just chaotic the last, well, pretty much the whole year, but definitely the last few months since Victoria's gone into lockdown. Things have just not been the same. So maybe it'll come, and when it comes I'll unbox it. I know it's going to be out of order, but such is life. Cool. Let's see. So we have the pen. She has a black gel pen that comes with every box, and they're stunning, very beautiful, with a good weight to it if you like that sort of thing. Notebook and some cardstock. I don't even know what order to open this up in. These are the washi tapes. I usually do that at the end, so I'll put that aside. And then I think these are like washi cards. Pretty sure these are washi cards, which I've gotten quite a few washi cards from different brands, and I always like store them away because I don't really use them very much. And then the other week I was trying to get a bunch of washi tape set aside for some spreads I wanted to do, but I didn't want to have the washi rolls out themselves, so I wanted to store them on a washi card, and I couldn't find any. So yeah, trust me, I probably have tons of them, but I just don't know where they've all gone. So at least now I have access to 5 washi cards, which is great. These are really nice. I'm going to open up this notebook. I know they come in different, like, sometimes they're blank, sometimes, I don't think they've been lined. They're often dot grid, but the colors are different, like gray dot grid, and I think there was a light blue dot grid. And I've been using the ones that are all dot grid. And I think I have one spare one left. So I'd be really keen to see if she's got any more dot grids. Yeah. Awesome. So I can use this as a grey dot grid. Yeah, you will have seen the ones I've been using in my TN flip through, my Simply Gilded TN flip through, which I uploaded probably a couple weeks ago now. So these would be, yeah, okay. So these are going to be the, I don't know what the term is. Like, I feel like the terminology escapes me every time I film a video, and then when I edit the video, I'm like, it was called this, Celina. Why didn't you say it? But I think it's because when you're filming videos, you feel kind of really put on the spot. And so it just, words are difficult. Struggle is real. So yeah, those are the separators that I would put into my TN planner. These are the stickers. I love this peacock feel. It's not something I would normally gravitate to, which is kind of why I like subscription boxes for that, because it forces you out of your comfort zone. But I could definitely put a spread together with this. Oops. I like this one, that's really pretty. You've got your icons, your numbers for date covers, some half boxes, and then bows. And then, oh, there's another thing here. Ah, okay. It's like a keychain bow, or a velvet bow. There we go. I love this little teardrop crystal. Isn't that amazing? It looks so pretty, and the way it's showing up on camera, it looks really nice. This is like my favorite bit. It's so cute. All right, so I want to know what this is. It might be a sticker book. I'm not sure. She's released a couple sticker books now, and then they seem to vary a lot. So let's see. I love this little heart here. It's a button heart, some paper, and I have it. Oh no, I'm wrong. It's a planner. You know, this planner style, and maybe it might be because of these scallops on the side. It reminds me of the Aurea Estelle. Is that what it's called? They're basically these really nice planners that I've seen online that I feel like a lot of people who've left the Erin Condren Life Planner have moved into those. And I've been like, those really intrigue me, but I know that I'm not a ring bound planner sort of person. I feel like I use ring bounds for like storing lists or like long-term stuff, but not an everyday thing. I think the ring bound really irritates me to use every day. That's why I don't use it. But yeah, the style kind of reminds me of that because of the scalloping. But you can store your planners in here. Well, you store your notebooks in here. It's almost like an alternative to the Traveler notebook that she released at the start of the year, where it's got like the elastics as well to store your notebooks. That's really interesting. I'm gonna actually try this out because I really loved using this. I'm not sure I'm going to use it next year because I'm trying to simplify my planners for next year, which I know is going to shock many people given the amount of planners that I have around me, but I'm going to try. But yeah, I really want to try this and see how this would go. So maybe this will be in a future video. Who knows? I love it. I love this way more than the sticker albums because as you guys know, I don't use the sticker albums, so they're redundant for me. I'm sure they're useful for others, but I don't really need them, so I end up giving them away. But these, I love these planners. All right, cool. That was a really nice surprise. Let's try out this washi tape. Okay, so I'm back and we have 6 washi tapes. I'm just trying to see if any of them have perforated edges. This one does. So you've got this really, oh, I love this marbling. I wish I had washi tape that was just this marbling without the bows, because I don't think I have any that exist right now. I know they exist, but I've not actively pursued buying it because, as you can see, I get washi tape so often that there's really no point me buying any right now. But anyways, these have the bows. There's really nice peacock-like pattern. These have some geometric shapes, peacock feather, and then these are like some white dots on, I don't know, I know it's rose gold, but it almost feels a bit coppery. And they have the perforated edges that you would have seen in some previous videos where you can tear them so that they're like exactly 3.5 centimeters long. I only know metric measurements. That's what we use in Australia. I have no idea what that is in inches, but yeah. So yeah, really beautiful. So there's everything in September Simply Gilded. I'm really curious to know what August has now, and October actually, because we are right in October. I'm wondering if the October one's going to be Halloween. I don't check the Instagram intentionally because I don't really want to be surprised. What do I mean? I don't want to know ahead of time. I want to be surprised when I unbox them, so that's why I don't check it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.